In this question, the principle states that when a person is retiring from a registered firm, he needs to provide a notice to the registrar of firms and publication in the official gazette and publication in at least one vernacular newspaper circulating in that district. That means the local language where that partnership person has where the firm has its place or principal place of business. So, of that district's local language newspaper, the retirement of the partner should be published. So, as per the facts, XYZ Partners was a decade-old firm, partnership firm in Delhi, and Mr. Qureshi was one of the first partners, and due to ill health now he wants to retire. So he gives his notice of resignation to other partners and publishes the same in the annual book of the company and also in an English daily. So this clearly shows that he has not fulfilled the requirement of the principle, because it's required that a notice has been given to the registrar, then the publication in the official gazette and publication in one vernacular newspaper. So all these three things are required. He has given the resignation to other partners. He has done the publication in the annual book. So that means the requirements are not fulfilled. That is why he can be sued if anyone wants to sue him. Now option A and B says that he can be sued. Option A says that he can be sued because he is one of the oldest partners. So that is not the reason why he can be sued. Option B says that he can be sued because he published the notice of his retirement in the annual book and in an English daily. So this is the correct answer, because he has done the publication in these books which are not the correct places where the publication has to be done. Therefore, the correct answer would be option B.